In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly download your eBay sales report and properly input that information into TurboTax for a smooth tax filing experience. Understanding how to correctly manage your sales data is crucial for ensuring your taxes are filed accurately, and I'm here to guide you through each step of the process with ease. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, if you've been selling items on eBay, you'll want to make sure you have all your sales information ready for tax time. This involves downloading your eBay sales report so you have all the necessary data at your fingertips. Head over to your eBay account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the appropriate section where you can download your sales report for the designated time period. This report will include all the sales information you need, such as transaction dates, item details, and amounts. Make sure you've saved this file in a location that's easy for you to access later. Now that you've got your eBay sales report, the next step is to log into your TurboTax account. Ensure that you have your login credentials handy and head to their official website. Once on the home page, input your username and password to gain access to your account. As you log in, you'll be greeted with the familiar TurboTax interface, which will guide you through the process of entering your income details step by step. After logging in, look toward the top of the TurboTax dashboard where you'll see a series of tabs, including one labeled Income. Click on this tab to enter the section specifically designated for reporting income, which includes all types of earnings. Here, you're going to input the sales and expenses from the eBay report you downloaded earlier. It's a good idea to have that report open on your computer screen or printed out beside you. Now it's time to enter your eBay sales data. Carefully follow the simple prompts provided by TurboTax, ensuring that you accurately input the total earnings from your sales and any associated expenses. TurboTax is designed to make this process intuitive, providing fields where you can enter information easily. Don't rush. Take your time to double check the figures against your eBay report to confirm everything is correct. This ensures your tax information will be processed correctly, helping you avoid any potential issues down the line. Once all the sales and expense information is correctly entered, follow the remaining steps provided by TurboTax to complete your tax filing process. These prompts will guide you through any additional questions or details you need to fill out in order to finish accurately. TurboTax is designed to be user-friendly, so simply relax and follow each step carefully all the way to the end. And that's it. With the eBay sales report downloaded and all the information neatly entered into TurboTax, you've effectively managed this aspect of your tax obligations. Remember to save or print your TurboTax documents for your personal records, and you'll be all set. Thanks for joining in today. I'm glad to have been a part of making your tax season a little smoother. Until next time, take care and happy filing.